This tutorial guides you through rotating PDF pages using SaaSBox's free online tools. You will learn how to access the rotation feature and apply the desired page orientation to your PDF files. Click Search on the Google homepage to begin your query. Fill TrySaaSBox.com into the search field to locate the SaaSBox website. Click SaaSBox, free online PDF tools merge, compress from the search results to visit the site. Switch to the TrySaaSBox.com tab to access the PDF tools directly. Click View More Free PDF Tools to explore additional PDF functionalities offered by SaaSBox. Click Rotate your PDF pages the right way to open the PDF rotation feature. Click Browse Files to select the PDF file you want to rotate from your device. Fill here by selecting the PDF file to upload for rotation. Click 90 degrees clockwise, 180 degrees, 90 degrees counterclockwise to choose the desired rotation angle for your PDF pages. Click Rotate PDF Now to start the rotation process and update your PDF accordingly. You have successfully rotated your PDF pages using SaaSBox's online tools. You can now download the rotated file or explore other PDF editing features available on the platform.